Hi, I'm Sharon Coffey and welcome to the Qurador Global channel. I work with business owners to find where money is slipping through the cracks and show them how to keep more of what they earn. Over the years, I've advised clients around the world on the best tax strategies and financial structures to help their businesses grow with confidence. This channel is about helping you stop feeling scared about your numbers. I'll share practical tips to manage your cash flow, grow real wealth in your business, and set up financial systems that give you the freedom to focus on what really matters, growing your business and living the life you've always dreamed about and is working for. I also teach business owners how to use AI in simple, everyday ways to save time and make better decisions. And on the home front, I'm passionate about homeschooling and even teaching children how AI can help them learn faster and have fun doing it. One of my favorite things right now is recording conversations with my children about business and money and posting them on this channel. It's real, it's family, and it's fun, just like I believe business should be. So subscribe and join me here on this channel and at the Stop the Profit Leaks Challenge. Together, we'll make your numbers work for you and help you enjoy the business and life you've always wanted. See you on the inside.